Welcome back to Black and White Life Coaching. I'm Brad Richard, and this week we are going to talk about the please look. So I don't know if any of you out there know what that is, but I am going to cover it. So welcome back everyone to another video. And I want to start off by explaining the please look and what it is and how you can use it. How you can use the please look to keep you on track and to keep you focused and doing what you need to be and what you want to be doing. So what the please look is, okay, if you are a parent, okay, you're very familiar with this look, and that's when your child, if you are a parent, that's when your child looks up at you with those sad eyes and they give you the please look. And it's almost impossible to tell your child no when they look at you and give you the please look when they want to do something. If you are not a parent and you don't have children and you are a pet parent, okay, you can see that same look when pets want something, when they want your attention, when they want your affection. They will look at you, they'll turn their head, and they'll give you that pleased look if they're wanting a treat or whatever the case may be. And once again, it's very difficult to say no to your pet when they look at you that way. Now, you can also, if you're not a parent and if you don't have a pet, you can look at maybe your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and when they ask you to do something, they give you the please look, okay? And so the please look is that look with those glazed over eyes where they look at you and they say, and they're wanting you to do something. They're wanting you to take action. They're wanting you to do something to their benefit. Okay, and they use the word and the look, please, to get what they want. Okay, so that is what the please look is. That is what the look is. Okay, now, how can we use the please look to help us stay focused and keep on track and continue to pursue our dreams, our goals, and the things that we want to do, okay? It goes back to our little guy and our little gals, our little people, okay? And when we are, struggling, when we are working on dreams and goals and aspirations, and we're trying to get ahead and we're trying to make our life better, and we run into roadblocks and we run into brick walls, okay? The way that you can use the please look to your advantage is you need to pull out your phone and you need to look at that photo or look at that picture of your little person, of your little guy, your little gal. Now, if you haven't seen all the videos that I've done, and you want to, and this will help you kind of catch up, if you want to go back in the upper right-hand corner, and I believe at the end of the video, that playlist will show up in the upper right-hand corner. So probably not now, but at the very end of the video, the playlist for the Black and White Life Coaching will show up in the upper right hand corner. So wait to the end of the video and then click on that playlist, and it'll take you through all the other videos. And I believe the second video in that playlist is I See You, and that's where we took a picture of our little guy or little gal and we put it on our phone so we can see them, we can connect with them visually, and we can see them every time we look at our phone. I don't know about you, but most of us look at our phone many, many times in a given day. So with them on your phone as a screensaver, wallpaper. That picture of your little person, okay, when you look at them, imagine them looking up at you and with those eyes asking you, please. They're asking you to do something. Please do this. And it's very, very important that when you see your little person asking for something and they're saying, please, they really want you to do something, okay, that is your cue as the adult to move forward and do the thing that you are hesitating about or that you're struggling with. It's like, I really need to make that call. I really need to do this. I really need to take these steps so I can further my career. I can further my dreams, my hopes, my goals. But it's really hard to do, and I don't know if I have it in me. I don't know if I'm strong enough to make that decision or to take that action, okay? That's when you pull out your phone, you look at your little guy or little gal, and you imagine them looking up at you with those eyes and saying, please, please, they need you to take action. And to respond to the please look is your way of giving to them and acknowledging their need, which is also yours, okay? And it gives you maybe a little boost. It gives you a little bit of an incentive to say yes to the please look. And this will benefit you as an adult to get you to take action and to fulfill that request, that please look. So using the please look when you tie it in with your little guy, your little gal, and you know how hard it is to say no to them, okay? So don't say no to yourself. You need to answer yes to yourself, and you are going to accommodate that request. You're going to answer that please look that your little person is giving you with a resounding yes, it's okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take that action. I'm going to take that step, and I'm going to continue to pursue my dreams and my goals. And I'm not going to give in to anybody else's wants, needs, or desires but my own. And you are acknowledging that you must take the action and you must say yes to yourself. Okay, so that's how we use the please look. And like I said, go back through the playlist and go through the videos that are in that playlist that has led up to today's video. And the one that you want to really look at the most is video number 2, the I See You. And that is where you put a picture of your little guy, little gal on your phone. So when you are struggling and when you are having a hard time staying focused, keeping on track, and continuing to pursue your hopes and dreams and the things that you want out of life, pull out that phone, look at that little person looking back at you with the please look. It's that simple. And that please look is really hard to say no to. This is the time where you say yes to the please look, and you are telling yourself, yes, I'm going to move forward. I'm going to take that step. I'm going to take that action, and I'm not going to disappoint my little guy, my little gal. So that is your answer to them, and that also will put you in a place, hopefully will put you in a place of a little more motivation and a little more commitment to your goals and your dreams. So that's how you use the please look. And I'm going to take a quick water break and I'll be right back. So hang in there with me. Excuse me, it's that time of the year where my throat gets really dry, and I do a lot of talking outside of these videos, so it dries out. So that is today's message. It's the please look. Use it in collaboration with your phone and the picture of your little person. Okay, and like I said at the very beginning, whether you're a parent or not, you may be a pet parent, or if you're not a pet parent or a parent of a child, for you to connect with the please look, exactly what is that, and how do I use it to my advantage? Think about a girlfriend or a boyfriend or a relationship that you've been in, where somebody has asked you to do something and they've looked at you and said, please, I need you to do this, please. And you can utilize this tool, okay? No matter if you're a parent or not, whether you're a pet parent or not, you can still use the please look technique, okay? So how do we use the please look to move our life forward and stay on track with our goals and our dreams and what we want to do in our life? That is how you do it. That is how we use the please look. And I hope that's very helpful. I hope it's very helpful. I would ask that you put a comment in the video down below in the comments, and comment in this video if you tried it, if it worked for you. It may not work for everybody, but it may work for some. And the some that it does work for is the most important. So I really hope it works for you. It's kind of a neat little trick, a neat little tool or tip or technique. And so try to use the please look to keep you moving forward, to keep you in decision mode, to keep you in action mode, and to keep you pursuing your goals and your dreams, okay? You and your little guy and your little gal, okay? Because remember, you're a team, and you are running the show, you're calling the shots, and you're making them feel safe and secure because you're in control, okay? And so I hope the please look really helps you out. I would like for you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, Black and White Life Coaching. And if for those of you that don't really know me, I'm Brad Richard. I have a mental health podcast. I am a certified master life coach, and I'm also an author of 3 books. And so you can find all of that at the website, bradrichard.net. Check it out if you want to. I do offer coaching on the website as well. But on the YouTube channel, nada. There's nothing to buy. There's nothing that you can buy here. So this content is just for you. Going through YouTube, if you look around on YouTube, you're probably going to find similar people telling you similar things, giving you similar advice and guidance. I am not a therapist. I am not a psychiatrist. I am not a counselor. I'm not a licensed counselor. But if you browse YouTube and ask some questions, there are many people out there that are licensed, that are in the therapy industry or the counseling industry. And you're going to find that they're telling you very similar things, very similar messages, okay? I am telling you this because these are tips and techniques and tools that I've used, and I have found them to be effective. My clients that I have found them to be very effective, and I'm hoping they're effective for you. So what I'm telling you is really not really a mystery. It's not really something that I came up with 100%. There are people out there in the industry, in the self-help industry, that are saying similar things. So give it a try, and you have nothing to lose, okay? And I'm here for you. If you want to reach out to me, you can contact me in the comments, and I'll answer you back. If you need any help with the Please Look, you can always reach out to me here on the YouTube channel. So with that being said, I want to let you know that coming up next week, we are going to be talking about the wins list. The wins list, that's WINS in capital letters, list. And so I want you to mark that on your calendar that that next week's video we'll be talking about the wins list. It's another tip, tool, technique that you can use to keep you focused, keep you on track, and keep you moving forward as you go through all of my videos in the Black and White Life Coaching playlist. As you go through those, you can go back and you can repeat any of those steps. You can repeat any of those processes in previous videos. You can go through them. But as we go through and we add a new technique or a new tip or a new tool each week, you can always go back and refresh your memory and kind of put them in the right order. Okay, so that's next week, the wins list. And kind of like the Please Look, I'll explain what the wins list is next week. So I hope you can join me for that. So once again, please like, share, and subscribe. That gives me the opportunity to reach more people. And I'm providing life coaching, and I'm providing information at no charge. And I want to reach as many people as possible. And I want to, give this information and provide help that I deemed helpful, okay, to as many people as possible. So like, share, and subscribe is a great way for me to do that and to continue to build a channel. So with that being said, we're going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you for joining me. I look forward to talking with everyone again next week when we talk about the wins list and what that is. But I encourage you to try the technique, the tool, the tip of the Please Look. Not going to hurt anything. It's not going to cost you a dime. Give it a try, and I would love to hear from you in the comments if you tried it and if you found it to be beneficial and if you found it to be helpful. So the Please list is something for you that I recommend you try, and I think you'll be surprised on how helpful it is. So until then, please love yourself, take care of yourself. I think about everybody, out there in the YouTube world, and the subscribers to the channel. I think about you all throughout the week, and I look forward to talking to you next week with another video. So until then, love your little me. They need you more than you can imagine. Take care of them and protect them and make them feel safe. So until next week, take care. Bye for now.